Yo, 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 what's up, guys? Welcome to today's another stream. We're gonna be doing a Python live stream. I'm gonna be programming my bot, Python bot. I'm live now. Or, alright, so we're gonna be adding more error handling and more questions. And I could add knowledge to the bot if you guys can say in the description, in the live chat if you guys want to, but yeah. Mm. Alright, let's say. Alright. Be live streaming. We're gonna be at air handling. Let's say if somebody types this in, we're basically gonna go inside our variable and user input, which if I hadn't showed you guys, and this makes it lowercase, so it's only if somebody types it. If somebody types it in all caps and stuff, it'll just go to lowercase. So let's make it lowercase. So our user input is all the way right here. See, this is our user input variable. We're going to store the user input inside that variable right there. So we're going to do this. This makes it lowercase so it can respond. So we're going to do print f. Sorry, I do not understand. Not understand this MITS letters. Here is what you said. User input. Alright. Then we're gonna add more keyboards so somebody there spam their keyboard. I'm just gonna somebody does this. Go to user input dot lower and oh wait. There we go. And the user input dot lower. Then we're gonna say print, and I'm gonna do sorry. I do not understand MITS letters. Here is what you said. User underscore input. So now, if the user says this, we're gonna print a custom message. So if they say this, sorry, I do not understand. Even if we do it uppercase, it will still do this. So yeah. Now let's add more error handling. I'm gonna do like 5 more. Then I'm gonna start adding knowledge to the bot. So and then in user input dot lower. We're gonna print. Wait. Flip with the flip. That's weird. Alright. Print F. Sorry. I do not understand MITS letters. here is what you said. Then it's gonna go to our variable, which is all the way up here. We're gonna go all the way up here to our my start conversation function, which starts a conversation with the bot. Yeah, it's gonna store the user inputs is stored in here. Then it's gonna go all the way. We're gonna go all the way back to our else statement. Then it's gonna print the user input variable that's in there. Yeah, so hold on. Guys, say in the comments what I should add. Nothing inappropriate or anything. Or no bad words. Give me knowledge as to put in the bot. And I'll add it for you guys. And I even published this on GitHub. So what I'm coding right now is going to be on GitHub. Now, we're going to print. I'm just, guys, if I'm spamming on my keyboard, I'm just adding air handling to my bot. So if somebody makes like spams on their keyboard on accident and then he randomly hit enter, the bot will literally do this. It will print a custom message. Just so users don't get confused. I'm about to add some actual knowledge to it. Yeah. Then now, oh, no, that's weird. I don't like that. I'm gonna go backspace, and I'm gonna, alright, ew, is the richest person as of 2025. Yeah, somebody asks us this. I'm just gonna print a custom message. $. But first, I'm gonna go to my. What I like to do is go to my. If I wanted to, I'm just gonna go to. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna go type in my pre-program responses. Like, for example, hold on. I'm gonna go right here. Then I'm gonna go. Who is the richest person as this is gonna be my dictionary. I mean, the thing that it's basically, I don't know how to describe it. I like to call this like a little class thingy that is gonna contain our data, like our strings that we're gonna use to print random stuff. And then I'm gonna make like the richest person as of 2025 is, I'm gonna go right here. Richest person, Elon Musk. Is Elon Musk. Now, let's say somebody's, according to Google, the richest person as of 2025 is Elon Musk. And then I also have to add my comma. Then we're gonna go back here, and what I like to do when I print information is I like to use a random library for this. Because it's better. I don't know why, I just like it. Because it provides more unique responses to the user. Who is the richest? Okay, there we go. Then now, if we put... Wait. Yeah, I have made one error. I cannot have any uppercase in this if string that I'm making. Who is the richest person as of 2025? Yeah. And then if there's a random chance, it will be a different response every time. Like, let's say, if I do this again, according to Google, yeah, so it's going to be random response each time for that. For what if I wanted to, And now, let's say somebody didn't. What if somebody didn't put the? Let's say somebody asked like, cause some people just don't put the who's the richest person as a 2025. Let's say who is the richest person in the world as a 2025 too, and then quote input dot lower. We're also gonna be going right here. Gonna put that right there, and we're gonna print a random out of a random library, and then we're gonna put out of my response sets my pre-programmed responses. Then inside those pre-programmed responses, I'm gonna put who is the richest person as of 2025. Then we're gonna go right here. I'm gonna do that same thing, but with you guys, it's gonna be a little different. But some people don't like to put their little question marks at the end. As it. So then we're gonna go right here, dollar, and go right here, and then we're gonna print out of our random dot choice, out of my pre-programmed response, my response sets, which is basically a dictionary variable. Then we go right here, put right there. So if somebody didn't put a question mark, it will print the message right there. That's basically what it's gonna do. And we're gonna go right here. If who is the richest person in the world as of 2025. Then we're gonna go in our user input dot lower, and then we're gonna print our custom message. Our random dot choice out of our response sets. Then we're gonna go right here. Who is the richest person as of 2025? Now let's get more complex. Let's say if somebody, let's say somebody asked a math question. I mean, somebody asked to read. Let's say somebody asked to read like. Let's say somebody asked to read like a text file. I don't know how to do that yet. Guys, I'm beginning to Python, bro. I don't know how to really do that yet. I don't even know how to do that yet. I'm still learning, so yeah, but let's say somebody like told you, you know, we're just gonna keep adding if statements for now. Or let's say, alright, now I'm gonna go right here. Who is the richest person in the world as of 2025? That's obviously Elon Musk. Now we're gonna do this again. Who's the richest person in the world, but without a question mark? And now let's see if it works. And then see if we get the exact same responses. Mind-boggling. Am I right? Yeah, that's pretty cool, I'd say. But now, to be honest, what's this error? Okay. Now, let's say, I'm not sure what to add next, y'all. I mean, for real, I don't know what to add next. I'm not sure. Should I add next? So, what if somebody... Alright. Wait. Let me test. I'm just gonna spam on my keyboard. So let's say if we're gonna do, let's do a bit more complex. Let's say if the user doesn't type anything. I think I know how to do this. All we have to do is do this, I think. Then this. If user input equals 0. Dollar equals 0. Then I think we're gonna do a print message. We're gonna print please type something. Now let's test it. Oh my gosh. Haha, I don't think I know how to do this. When I think let me do this again, but put a space and enter. If and user input, so that basically means nothing. I think that means nothing. So I didn't put anything in the quotation mark. So we're gonna print out of that. We're gonna print please type something. R. So now if I technically do this, oh yeah, there we go. We did it. So if I press the enter bar, it was please type something. So yeah, but now actually I'm gonna make it even more a little bit. I'm gonna add some modifications to the prompt to please type something. Make it look like the bot right here. And now if I press enter, it's gonna say please type something with a question mark. So now, yeah, there we go. That was pretty easy to do. Now we get up here. Now it can also do math questions. If you do this, it will give you the answer 30 times. Let's say I'm gonna spam on the keyboard. Yeah, it gives you the result. Now, what if a user asked? I'm a crypto nerd, so I'm gonna put some crypto questions in there. So what if the user put it? When was Ethereum made? Ethereum coin made. Wait. Ethereum. When was Ethereum made? The crypto coin. When was it made? When was Ethereum coin made? Right here. Right here. Duh. And then we're gonna go right here. Then we're gonna go right here. And I'm gonna make my custom message. Bot. Dot. Ethereum. What? Cryptocurrency was made. One. Ethereum. Ethereum. Crypto. Or or we could say Ethereum crypto currency launched, or launched. I'm also gonna do that. No. There we go, and let's say now. Let's also say. Let's also say. Let's also say. For example, what if I wanted to? I think I'm gonna say if. Oh yeah, I forgot. When was Ethereum? No. When was? I don't know how to spell Ethereum. Ethereum cryptocurrency. Hold on. Yeah. Hold on, guys. Let me eat real quick. I'm gonna pause my stream. I'll be right back. Hold on. Now let me create a thing real quick. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna go mute my mic. I'm gonna mute my mic. I'll be right back, y'all. What's up, I am back. I'm back. Let me delete this text. Anyways. Yeah. I think I'm done coding today, so goodbye.